Oh god.
There it is. It was bound to happen at some point on the tour.
Do we get out now? What do we do?
Crisp. Dope. This would be a sweet ride to work every day.
Right? Dude, that's...
I'll catch up with you.
Good luck.
Thanks,
man. You too.
Right out.
Stavros, Jacob, nice to meet you.
Alex.
Stavros, nice to meet you.
Where are you guys from?
Ohio.
Ohio.
Yes, sir. Beautiful.
Where the tides come together. Basically you have like this is a big channel, so that's the mainland. And then we have the Elizabeth Islands, like a whole chain of other islands, like Martha's Vineyard, so it pushes the water one way or the other. So the bass kind of get funneled into this area early in the morning.
So this is day one here on Martha's Vineyard. We're fishing the Rip currently. This is unlike anything I've ever fished. This is wild. We're fishing out here with Brian and seeing some topwater action already. Saw one person hook up and land one, so we're trying to get out there using big poppers right now. Starting off with that. Gonna try and land one here.
A good spot is you're gonna cast on the smooth side of the rip and then let your lure kind of drift right through. So you'll find the fish will stay close.
Just got off Cuddy Hunk, and I mean that place was unreal. It was, you guys saw from the drone footage, the views were beautiful. Right over the shoulder, I mean it's like, what were there, 4 trucks maybe? Not even. Everybody's got a golf cart, everyone says hi to you.
Heck,
only
there's
15
all the
people.
trucks on the island right there.
Yeah, there's only like 15 people that live on it. Beautiful. So now we're working back out. Gonna go seriously target some striper now. In the morning, you know, we just played around. Now it's
there
time,
were
it's
some
time to get
big
serious.
ones that busted, but
It's time to put some work in. I got to break that 6-pound limit, and then so you got 3 goals: bigger than 6 pounds, 1 on the fly, and then catch a brook trout while out here on Martha's Vineyard. So those are my 3 goals. Hopefully we can knock 2 of them off today, but we'll see. So catch up with you guys when we get to the next spot.
Oh, I just crossed you. You will.
switch sides. There you go.
Oh, come on. He's on. Come on. What did that happen?
Got it. Awesome.
There she goes. Yeah, anytime I'm using trebles, I make sure to use the grips just because they'll flop no matter what. Work? Oh!
Sound of excitement, boys.
Put that guy back.
Nice, it's great.
What do you think? Maybe I should
I think he's fun size.
Good sound?
Come here, buddy. Yeah, boy. Awesome. You just swing these guys in there.
If he's too heavy to lift, I can grab him with the lippers for you. Yeah, you can just pull him right up.
Yeah. Beautiful. Brian put me on the key bait there. What's this called?
It's the DJI Minnow.
That's what he wanted. Awesome,
You
man.
catch absolutely everything on that.
Man. We're out here, we saw all the birds moving, so he came out to these rocks. It's just a boulder field right under the water. It's beautiful. Sure enough, smoked it. Second cast with that lure. Thank you guys, appreciate it. This has been awesome.
Dog action in the Ronzi.
Look at that. All right, my fish is going back in. It's time to catch another.
Little guys. Buddy. There we go.
And there we go.
Fishy.
Double.
Double? Yes, sir. Oh, there's
one
3
with
behind it. Hey, cast your fly over here. Oh, never mind. They did. That was sweet. Get him back in. Don't have time to get the phone out.
Alright.
Looks like a little bit better one. Fishy. Dang. I didn't even get the crank on that one. That was like, it hit the top and he smoked it.
Nice.
That was cool. Come on, buddy. Oh, there's like 4 with him. Crazy. Man, they are beautiful. They got that iridescent purple to their scales.
I just had a hit on the fly.
With Alex. Alright, let's get this fish back in and get another.
Probably look ridiculous with my hood up.
Yeah, anytime I'm using trebles, I make sure to use the grips just because they'll flop no matter what.
They're getting bigger.
Yeah, they are.
Got a good one?
You good?
That was close.
You good?
We'll probably have to cut the barb, but I mean, yeah.
You hook through the hand?
Not bad, no. As long as we got barb cutters. We just gotta get this fish off.
Yeah.
Or just barb, I'll just push the barb down. You wanna get this
Where do you
guy
want me to
unhooked? You can just get the fish unhooked. Yeah.
Wait here.
Well, I gotta hold on to him tight, yeah.
I don't know if this could be a challenge right here.
Actually, just try and push the barb here. Pinch the barb with the plier.
Wait.
Oh yeah, you got it. Okay.
I don't want to push like towards you either.
No, you're good. You can push towards me. It didn't like, it's in a fine spot. There it is. It was bound to happen at some point on the tour. Beautiful.
Double release?
Yeah.
Alright, let me see her in the sun.
Let's see here.
Bring that to the sun, brother.
There we go.
Heavy duty.
What was that?
You can cut them with those though if you want to. Might be kind of a stretch, but should go through.
Hold on, man. I gotta help this guy with a hook.
It might just be better crimping the barb than cutting it completely.
Yeah, see. If you can cut it, that'd be great, but
Try and cut it. You alright?
yeah. Yeah.
Okay. It's hard to get it past the thing. Alright.
Yeah.
Oh, we get the barb really crimped over. Bet you can pull it out. You want me to try?
Yeah.
Or do you want to do it?
Give it a shot.
You alright, dude?
Yeah, yeah. Probably gonna start getting the sweats.
Okay.
You'll feel better in a minute.
Hey! Beautiful.
Alright,
There you go.
I'm gonna start using the Boca grips more.
That's why I use them, just that whole death little thing.
Can you grab the TP?
First
Beautiful.
casualty on the boat.
Hardest person to do it.
Classic. Don't do that. Looks yummy. Alrighty, so we're slack tied now, so we're gonna bounce over to a different spot that's a little bit of a putt away just because, you know, we got time while this tide's changing. So we're making a move. Did pretty well in this last spot. It was basically run to the birds, find the birds, see the fish blowing up, fish to them, catch a few fish, and then birds would move, fish would move, re-find them. So it's just, again, run and gun style. Same deal we were doing in New Jersey, fishing for striper. So yeah, bouncing around a lot. Managed to stick my hand. So, and yeah, we're going to Gayhead. That was sweet. This is on that hair jig too, or bucktail. Yeah, the one that I really wanted to get a fish on. This is Chase's tie here, and it's one hook. I like that. Another beautiful striped bass back in the game, baby. Getting back in, get another.
Rock and roll up like old school. So currently we're out in Vineyard Sound. Right now we're on a shoal called Middle Ground. What happens is we have two deep bodies of water. It's about 70 feet deep over to our right, and it's about 85 feet deep over to our left. But where we are now, it's only about 3 feet because of the tides go back and forth and they stack up all the sand here. So it makes a big shoal. So we've been working up and down the shoal, trying to stay ahead of the tide. Big fish, they have the power to zoom in and out of the current here. Whereas all the little bait fish, they get tired, get fused. So this is #1 spot to find them feeding.
Ready?
Hell yeah. Go this way. Do like kind of.
Just got back in bed. We woke up at 5 a.m. yesterday, and it is currently 5 a.m. of the next, I don't even know how that works, of the next day. So we just did an entire day of just fishing, and I mean, we were catching them the whole time, so it's like, Brian and I were talking about it. Right, Brian? How can you leave fish? You can't leave fish.
Can't leave fish. That's an addiction. I need help.
Yeah, well, we all need help. So we're gonna catch like 4 hours of sleep now, and then maybe hit a few brook trout in the morning, get some cool shots around town, and then get back out on the boat for a bit, for a little bit of an evening bite, and then yeah, figure it out from there. So 24 hours in the books. Catch up with you guys tomorrow. Catching pigs with Eric, man. Big boy back in the water. Good peacock here.